Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will do a product review of the InfiRay P2 Pro thermal camera. Let's unbox it. This P2 Pro thermal camera is a powerful camera imager for Android smartphones and tablets. Also, it can work with iPhone and iPad devices. You can use it to troubleshoot electronic components such as PCB boards, microcircuits, HVAC issues, etc. One more thing you need to note here is it has a battery-free design. So, you will get an excellent thermal camera experience. It is small in size, and yes, it's a tiny camera weighing only 9 grams and measuring up to 9 millimeters. It comes with a screen cleaning cloth and manuals that provide information regarding software, where to download and how to use it in real life. Open up the box. What you see here is the extension cable. Our main camera is right here. The great thing about this thermal camera is that its outer material is made of metal, making it solid and compact. It also has a magnetically attached macro lens, which can easily observe resistors. There are high-performance sensors that deliver 256 by 192 pixels higher resolution and a motion capture of 25 Hz. So, here, I will attach a macro lens with a P2 Pro thermal camera. Keep in mind that do not aim it at direct sunlight or not to get it wet. An extension cable connects this thermal camera to your Android device. Just plug it into both devices to connect. Another way is to plug the thermal camera directly with USB-C into your smartphone. You must also install and use the InfiRay app to measure the temperature. Now, launch the Play Store on your Android device, type and search P2 Pro in the search bar. So, tap on it to install. Now, tap the install button and wait until it gets installed on your device. You will see the app icon on your device's home screen. Tap on it to launch the P2 Pro application. You will see a message on your device that says to plug in the device and turn on the OTG function. After plugging in the device with your smartphone, your device asks you to choose an app for the USB device. Select P2 Pro and wait until it opens the thermal camera on your device. The thermal camera will detect and display the surrounding environment's temperature in real time. You can also connect the thermal camera to your smartphone with an extension cable to use it separately from the smartphone. Now, select an app for the USB device and wait momentarily. Move the thermal camera around from where you want to detect the temperature. Your device will show a temperature. That's it. So, this is all about the InfiRay P2 Pro thermal camera. I hope you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.